Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Justin here from TrustyBio.com. I just want to create a quick tutorial slash here's all the things you can do slash get in there and start creating these links for your bios. It's super easy, super simple. This is kind of just going through and just showcasing a lot of the features that you'll get with the complete kind of package. So right away, once you log in, and bear with me because I'm using one hand to hold the mic, I'm gonna be using the other hand to type slash everything else. Right away when you log in, I believe the stats are with premium. Probably change a lot of things in the future. But right away, you log in, go to create link, and then a bio link page. And right here, you can either leave it blank for a randomly generated URL, or if you want a custom one, you can customize it. So we'll make a custom one, and I'm trying to think of what I can type with one hand here. Here we go. Lollipop. That's a one-handed. That's a word you can type with one hand. So boom, we're in. It is. I mean, realistically, it's available right away. It's there. It's live. It's created. But of course, we want to customize it. So here's all kind of the cool things you can do. You can set a picture in here. Let's see if I can find just a decent picture. Oh, there's a picture of me and my cat. You can change the title of it, so you can be my cat and I. Description. These are some cool cats. When you have a premium, you display verified checkmark. Keep in mind, sometimes when you update this or you customize something, it might not show up right away. Just know that once you do hit save, we'll go down here and update. There you go. There's that blue check mark. So it didn't display right away, but once you update, it's there. Just trust the process. You can customize your text color to be, anything you want, really. You can, the whole range of colors. We'll go black because why not? A few backgrounds that you can have. Preset ones. You can do custom gradients. Go from, white to red. You could do a single color if you want. Or also you can have a custom image as your background. So maybe we'll just double up. And now it's a picture of me and my cat. All right there. Right here, if this is kind of a cool feature, if you want, you can put a URL right in here, and then anytime anybody goes to, whatever your link is, instead of being shown this page, they just go straight to whatever link this is. If it's your fan profile, maybe your campsite, maybe it's your other social media platform, whatever the case is, you can put whatever you want there, and it will automatically redirect them. So just for the sake of this, I'm gonna change from my face to something a little bit easier to see. From branding, you can, again, if if you have a premium account, you can remove the branding, and that takes away the built with Trusty Bio, powered by CamLagency.com at the bottom. You can change the text of that. Oops, sorry, we're back up here. You could have whatever you want at the bottom there. It could be your name, it could be your website, whatever the case is, and you can have a link to it as well if you wanted something custom down here at the bottom, or you can leave it blank if you want as well. If you want, you can customize the page title and meta descriptions for like Google Search Console, or for Google Search and Bing Search and Yahoo Search. You can also change the Open Graph image URL, which is, if you share your page, what's the picture that's going to show up? You can have a picture of your, the same as your profile picture. You can have a whole different picture. It's up to you. And if you want, you can also, check this to block search engines from, more or less finding this page and trying to have it show up when people search for, like, your performing name. UTM parameters. If you have like your own website and you use something like Google Analytics, you can plug in the medium and the source right here, and it'll automatically append that to every link, so you can know who's coming from your Trusty Bio page. You all kinds of social media that will all populate at the bottom, so you can just have, if this was my Twitter account, my Instagram account, my TikTok name. Again, update, boom, they're automatically at the bottom. You can also go on here and change the colors of these to whatever you want. So if you want them white, black, purple, whatever, it's the options there. You can also change the font if you want. Again, it's you'll have to hit update. And then also kind of really cool special feature, password protection. So if you want to create, a landing page that's only, or like a paid landing page, you can do that and give people a password. If you're doing adult content, you can have a sensitive content warning that pops up and just says, hey, make sure you're 18 or older. So that's all there. Now here's the good part. Here's kind of the link in bio part. Adding blocks. So right now we have 12 or 10 blocks that you can add and customize to your profile. And you can have unlimited links, text, images, mail signups, SoundCloud, Spotify, YouTube videos, your Twitch, Vimeo. No one really uses Vimeo, but the option's there. And also your TikTok. So just adding a link. So let's just go to camlegacy.com. Whatever, no more worthless followers. I don't know why it's showing up, but it's there. Now it's in there. So now what you can do is also you can set it so that link only works on certain days. If you're running some kind of special or promotion, you can have it so it only starts, tomorrow at or July 16th at 4 in the morning to July 16th at 4 in the morning. Let's go July 17th or whatever. So you can have it so they're only temporary. You can change the name if you want. You can also customize the image. So we'll just go with this one again. My cat. Again, if it doesn't show up, you can update. Boom. So if you want, you can have the logo there. You can have a picture of you, a different picture of you, whatever the case. And also you can have icons there. So if you're familiar with using icons, you can customize that. If not, just upload an image or leave it blank. Another cool option you can do is customize the colors. So whatever text color you want, whatever background color you want. Again, if it doesn't show up right away, you just hit update and it's there. You can customize the shape of it. So it's regular square. You can animate it. There's all kinds of different animations we have also. The old rubber band. That's what that looks like. Once it loads up, it will kind of do a preview of it as well. So you have a lot of different animations here. And also you can have it so it just, hey, I want to keep that sliding in a bunch. And I'll just keep doing that over and over. I don't know why you'd want that. But that option's there. So that's just adding a regular link. Now you can add a simple text, trusty bio, just whatever's available, whatever's already there. And again, all it does is it has some text for you to add in. You can use HTML to put links here that aren't, in a box, but just kind of in the text. You can change the colors, of course, to whatever you want. The description colors again, and it's there and it's live. Again, if we go to the page, it's there. This is you can go to this right now. I think I will leave this up. So when people watch this, they go, is that still like that? Yeah, it is. You can also just use or upload an image on its own and have it go to wherever you want. So there we go. There's just that picture of me again. It's all over the place here. If you do have some kind of, this is going to get tricky. Okay. So if you use MailChimp and you're building email lists with MailChimp, and if you have that webhook, you can submit it there. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about right now, don't worry about it. Disregard that block. You're not going to deal with it. SoundCloud. So you can have, I don't know. Oh, All right, it didn't. I thought this would be here. Let me try to find. Actually, SoundCloud. It's SoundCloud. You enter a link, you can have it there. I'm not gonna go find some kind of SoundCloud sound real quick. But it's there. Now here was one we do have, Spotify. So I don't know what song this is, but from another demo. All right, Street Runner, a little Rod Wave action. Turn down the volume and let me go ahead and just go to this, and you can see. I better turn it off before we get this whole video muted. So you can have a Spotify song, you can have whole playlists on there. It's really just kind of add your own little personal touch with it. You can add a YouTube video in here. I wish I had a YouTube video that I had on hand, but I don't. But again, you plug it in, it's going to embed it just like the Spotify playlist. And that's the same for Twitch, Vimeo, and TikTok. They're all kind of the same. And it's really cool. You know, we can keep adding. I don't know what the heck that is, but that's there. We can keep adding, more links. So if you got 15 different pages that you're operating, you can add 15 links here, and it's all good. And that's really it. It's a super simple, super intuitive process and program, and it really works really well. Like I said, this is live, and you can go this right now. I don't think I want to take this down. I'm gonna leave it exactly how it is, and it's there. And you take this and you plug it into your bio, and that's it. Now you don't have to sit there and change your Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and all your fan page bios. You just send them all to trustybio.com/lollipop or whatever your URL is, and you're golden. And it's that easy. And then you come back and you look at your stats, and 1 visitor from 3 page views, that's me. And I go to it again, and let's see if that updates. 1 visitor, 4 page views, real time. That's awesome. So, hey, I really appreciate you watching this. It's really about it. The software, it's super simple. It's not incredibly complicated. It's really easy to use. And I think, thus far, everybody's liked it. So check it out, trustybio.com. Thank you for watching this whole video. Peace.